Okay guys, we got the Charger with the 3.5 engine over here. Getting ready to take it out. Throw it in that one. Yeah, I already had it pretty much ready to go at my house. The only thing I have to do is drain the coolant and get the transmission bolts. And after that it'll pop right out. That'll probably only take me like an hour and a half. Same paint code too, so it's got that flake in it. I'll be able to use this door because the other one had a dent in it. See, this one's flawless. Same with this door. Probably use this one too. The other one has a big scratch in the middle. This one's in really good condition. Probably gonna use the center console out of this one. You can't see it. You gotta let the snow melt off. Get going on ripping her out. Like I said, it shouldn't take me too long. Probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours. If everything goes right. You know how that is.